Hey, this is Amy with Flower Moxie, and we're doing a product video about Pink Floyds. They are my go-to deep pink flower or deep pink rose. This is just a standard rose, and they have a huge head, and they blow out beautifully. So I just got these yesterday, and they're already like large and in charge. So as much as I like garden roses, I swear, girls, it's not worth the price when you see like a standard rose this beautifully. And just to kind of give you some comparison, this is a roseberry that leans kind of more red, and this is definitely like a deep pink flower. And I don't know, like, Tiffany, would you consider it hot pink? Okay. It's a hot pink, but it's not like obnoxious. It's like, I know, it's just utter perfection. But here's like a comparison. I don't know if you can see it, if it comes across, between a roseberry and a Pink Floyd. So you can kind of see how this roseberry leans a little bit more red, and this has like more pink undertones. So yeah, just like any standard rose, set them in a sunny spot. If they're not opening quick enough, you can always hit them with a blow dryer. If you take the heating element off, it kind of helps push them open and push the petals out without damaging them. Yeah, so Amazing Rose is one of my favorites. Thanks for joining us.